In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Timetable on Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to your home page. This is the main landing area where you can access your pages, workspaces, and tools. From here, look to the left side menu and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion provides ready-made templates, including planners and schedules, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Once the Marketplace opens, move to the search bar and type Timetable. After you enter the search term, select the suggested result that matches, so the Marketplace shows timetable-related templates. In the results, find the timetable template and open it. This will take you to the template preview page, where you can review what it includes before adding it to your own Notion setup. On the template page, click the option to add it to a new team space. This helps you place the timetable in a clean, dedicated area, especially if you want to keep scheduling separate from notes or other projects. After selecting the new team space option, confirm the choice from the on-screen prompt so the template can be added. Next, click into the template itself by selecting Timetable. You should now be inside the timetable page. To begin working with the schedule, locate the date shown in the view and click it, then switch to today. This brings the timetable to the current day, which makes it easier to start planning immediately. Now, click the area of the timetable where you want to add or adjust an entry. Choose the 6 a.m. time slot to focus on a specific block. If you see category options, click Personal to set the type of activity you are planning. Using categories like this can make your timetable easier to scan later. After that, return to the main timetable view and click into the description area that contains the introductory text about organizing tasks. Then click Open to open the Entry Details panel. In that panel, click into the field labeled Info 1 and enter the information you want associated with that time block. When you are finished, click Done to save your changes. Finally, click Date to confirm or adjust the date field for the entry so it lines up correctly on your timetable. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.